Hi everyone. So today we will continue our chapter with Content Standard 2.2 Cell Respiration and Photosynthesis. What is respiration? We can divide it into two, external and internal. External respiration means breathing. Internal means cell respiration inside the cell. Breathing means exchange of gases between organism and environment. We inhale oxygen while exhale carbon dioxide. Cell respiration is oxidation process and breakdown of glucose to release energy. This is the equation for cell respiration. Glucose combined or oxidized by oxygen produce carbon dioxide, water and energy. This energy we use for our daily life activities. Okay, now we go to photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Okay, it is when a green plant, green plants mean plants that have green leaf, make their own food. They can make their own food by using what? Light energy, water, carbon dioxide and chlorophyll. If you still remember, chlorophyll is in the chloroplast. Okay, this one we have learned earlier. What are the products of photosynthesis? Glucose and oxygen. Okay, these are examples of leaves. Certain leaves have green part, like here. But certain leaf, it doesn't have green part, like here and here. So the green parts contain chloroplast. Chloroplast contain chlorophyll. So photosynthesis occur at the place where we can find the chloroplast or chlorophyll. Okay, now we look at the diagram of photosynthesis. This is the green leaf. So green leaf contain chlorophyll. This is sunlight. So chlorophyll in the green leaf trap light energy from the sunlight. At the same time, water is absorbed by the root of this plant, and the leaf also need carbon dioxide that enter through the stomata. Stomata can be found under the leaf. Can be found under the leaf. So, when there is carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight, photosynthesis will occur. Then, what will be produced? The product is glucose and oxygen. This is the word equation for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of light energy and chlorophyll in the leaf produce glucose and oxygen. We call this as word equation. This one is the process. This one is the word equation. This is the example of experiment to test for the presence of starch in leaves. Starch comes from glucose. Okay, we start with boiling the water. Leaf put in the boiling water to break the cell wall. After that, we put the leaf in boiling ethanol. Ethanol is an alcohol to remove the color of the leaf. Third, leaf being washed to soften the leaf. And the last one, we do the starch test with iodine solution. This is an example that the experiment that I have done with my earlier students. Okay, this one, the leaf in the alcohol, and this one is the result. Result of the experiment. The presence of starch can be tested by using iodine. Iodine color is brown. If there is starch, it will turn to dark blue. Okay, look at here. Here we can see it becomes dark blue because here contains starch. We have another 4 experiments to test the factors that needed by photosynthesis in plants. First is experiment 2.1 to show that photosynthesis need light energy. We have 2 plants here, first in the dark, second under the sunlight. Second experiment to show that photosynthesis need chlorophyll. Here we have a variegated leaf, means a leaf that has non-green part of leaf and green part of leaf. Third experiment to show that photosynthesis need carbon dioxide. Okay, we have A and B. Diagram A, this plant is put in the bell jar with air without carbon dioxide, and B, this plant is put in the air with carbon dioxide. Both get sunlight. And the fourth experiment to show that photosynthesis need water. So we have plant A and plant B. Plant A get water, plant B doesn't get water. So we can get the result. And the last one, we will learn about differences between respiration and photosynthesis. Before that, we look at this diagram first. Okay, a man, a giraffe, and a plant. All of these organisms do respiration. We produce carbon dioxide and water. Then the plants use the carbon dioxide and water from us during photosynthesis. When photosynthesis occurs, plants produce glucose and oxygen. Then we use back the glucose and oxygen during cell respiration. Okay, back to the differences. Cell respiration occurs in mitochondria. Photosynthesis occurs in chloroplast. Cell respiration releases energy, but photosynthesis absorbs energy. Cell respiration uses chemical energy in food, but photosynthesis uses energy from light. Fourth, cell respiration occurs in humans, animals, plants, and microorganisms. But photosynthesis only occurs in plants and certain microorganisms. Next, cell respiration breaks down glucose to produce energy, but photosynthesis synthesizes glucose. Synthesize here means produce. Cell respiration uses glucose and oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water, and energy, but photosynthesis uses carbon dioxide and water to produce oxygen and glucose. And the last one, cell respiration occurs at all times during day and night, but photosynthesis only occurs in the presence of light. I hope you understand this topic. We will discuss in our online class later. Thank you.